hello, dosto. Welcome to the Bollywood Talk Show on IWM Buzz. This is your host Shubhajit back once again with another interesting episode. Back once again with another interesting guest. Now, the person I have with here today is somebody who literally symbolizes gorgeousness, hotness. कितने भी सारे synonym कह लो दोस्तों. She is someone who literally symbolizes that. I have with me the lovely Sonali Rao. Can we please have a big round of applause for you? मैं तो ताली बजा ही रहा हूँ. आप भी खुद के लिए बजा लो, please.
Hello, hello.
Lovely. Good to have you, Sonali.
Thank you.
It's been a really interesting career, I would say. Given the kind of way you have started in terms of modeling at a very tender age, cut to now. Of course, there's a long way to go.
Yeah.
The higher milestones you reach, the better the dedication only gets better to achieve a lot more. But up tak, if I have to ask you the biggest high point of your career so far, maybe modeling, maybe movies, web, whatever, what would that be?
I think I would say Kingfisher calendar.
Yeah, so that was right in the very beginning. है ना?
Yes, because that was my first job and it was
Yeah,
a bikini shoot. So it
yeah,
happened, I went for this party. I
yeah,
went to Gautam Singhania's party and
yeah.
that's how Atul Kasbekar spotted me. And next day
Yes.
I got a call from him
Yeah,
and he told me that would you be interested in doing the Kingfisher calendar? And I was like, huh?
yeah. Yeah.
And why I'm saying because it was my first job and it was a
Yes.
bikini shoot.
Yes. Yes. Yeah.
So
Of
it was
course.
fun.
And anything first is always special because that only starts a lovely process for the future. But
Correct.
एक चीज मुझे बताओ आप, you mentioned, at that point of time, I don't know how old were you at that point of time, 19,
I was 19.
20?
Yeah, I
You were
was young.
19, right?
I was in college.
Yeah, you were in college. Now
I
the
was
point
studying.
is, for a country like India, जैसे मैं हूँ, आप हो, हम जैसे
Mm.
लोग, we don't take dressing very seriously. Even I can go out shirtless and pose for a photo shoot. You can go out there. It's completely your own choice. But a
Yes.
country like India, there are also people out there, who don't really take it in the right way. So have
Mm.
you ever come across those people who kind of obviously are annoying in their own ways? But did you have anybody to come and stop you? Like, yaar, you were just starting, you are young, why are you going for bold and all that gyanbazi jo basically a lot of people do. Have you come across those people?
No, actually, when the calendar started,
Yeah,
it started in 2003. So my
yeah.
sister was part of Kingfisher calendar, Ujwala Rao.
Ah, yeah.
So it's a legacy, and
Yeah.
we knew Atul very well. So
Yes.
मुझे कोई ज्ञान तो प्राप्त नहीं हुआ. I think अगर कोई मुझे ज्ञान दे सकता है वो मैं ही हूँ. Only I can stop
Yes.
myself if I feel
Yeah.
it's right, if I feel it's a
Yeah.
great platform. And I've
Yeah.
seen my sister, no? So
Yeah.
it wasn't I
Yeah.
was yeah, I was scared during the shoot
Yeah.
because
Yeah.
it was my first shoot and
Yeah.
first time in a bikini, how I
Yes.
look, whether I'm
Yeah.
in shape, what about
Yeah.
the face? Will Dr. Vijay Malia will like my pictures?
Yeah.
All that. But
Yeah.
but मुझे किसी ने ज्ञान नहीं दिया because I
Yeah.
think people knew that I'll be this hot
Yeah.
property. So
Yeah.
no,
Yeah.
even
Yeah.
my family is very supportive. So no stress on that part.
Yeah. And अगर कोई ज्ञान दे भी आगे तो just एक कान से आप सुनो दूसरे कान से निकाल दो. As long as you're
I,
happy doing whatever you want in your own life, that's the only thing that matters, है ना?
yes, but आजकल हर कोई ज्ञान देता है. So it's okay.
Yes.
Like if you go on social media, there's so
Yeah.
much ज्ञान you get.
Yeah. Exactly. We'll come to that part as well. Of course, social media is a very interesting platform. You talk about Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. सबसे ज़्यादा तो Instagram पे ही I think people come. There are good comments, there are not so very good comments, and there are people who are keyboard warriors. They hide behind the keyboard and just put whatever they have to. They probably
Yeah,
vent
the
out their
faceless,
frustration.
the nameless
हाँ,
people,
faceless, nameless
and the
people सिर्फ
nameless
दूसरों
people.
को shame करना आता है, खुद को कुछ करना आता नहीं है. So any comment that probably ever hurt you emotionally? ऐसा कभी कुछ हुआ? Did you ever feel hurt emotionally because of any comment?
I think it's
Maybe a
just
judgment
like
on your character or something like that, which was not unsolicited.
I think I think there are so many comments, but now we are just like so used to with
Yeah,
some of them. But
yeah, yeah,
with me, I'm lucky. I don't get so
yeah,
much hate.
yeah, yeah. Touch
So
it.
if it's like 1,000 comments, so I think
Yeah,
maybe 50 are like hate.
yeah, yeah,
And I realized that negativity is like so much, like it's so
yeah,
powerful. So,
yeah.
but I concentrate on positive things,
The good
and
ones.
I get a lot of positive comments. But I think negative. I think maybe people abuse you, they slut shame
Yeah,
you. That's like
yeah,
not happening. If you
yeah,
post a
yeah,
very sexy picture, you get
yeah.
slut shame, and obviously there's a character assassination, and they talk
Yes,
about the culture, and they say,
yes.
we live in India. So I remember like
All sorts of names.
3 days
Yeah,
ago, it was a Diwali party, so I was
yeah,
wearing this sexy bikini,
yeah. You look lovely in that. I saw that
yeah,
outfit.
bikini blouse and lehenga. So everyone said, कि ये क्या कपड़े पहने हैं? ये अपना culture नहीं है. ये लोग
Yeah,
culture अपना खराब कर रहे हैं. Rape
yeah,
happens because of you people. How?
yeah.
मतलब
Ridiculous.
रेप तो बच्चों पे भी होता है, तो कैसे देख के रेप हुआ? तो
And even
that's
even
how.
women who wear burqa, so what do you can't blame the clothes for that, right?
Yes,
Exactly.
so this they just like people just like behind the, I think their matlab phone, because
Yeah,
social media abhi itna accessible hai, so people just
yeah,
like they blame you for everything. So it's
yeah,
okay, just part of it. I just take it like
yeah.
picture.
ये तो नेगेटिव वाला पार्ट हो गया. आई थिंक अच्छे वाले पार्ट्स भी आप मुझे लास्ट दिन बोल रहे थे, बट आई थिंक द ऑडियंस शुड नो एज वेल टुडे. टेल अस अ बिट अबाउट an interesting DMs, यार. I think you get some of the most hilarious and most
Yeah,
interesting DMs out of all. Tell us a bit about
correct.
that.
I think I get a lot of interesting DM because
Yeah,
I have men following more than women.
yeah, natural.
So yeah, so the interesting, I could say, when I read my DM, like maybe in the night
Yeah,
when you're like
yeah,
uh,
yeah, bored and all.
ज़्यादा नहीं आती है, and pandemic के
Yeah,
time
yeah.
you had time
Yes,
to
yes, yes.
go through,
Yeah,
yeah, to
बहुत.
go through your DMs. And so I think interesting, I would say, like of course they वो boyfriend के लिए पूछते हैं, कोई लोग
Nah.
date के लिए पूछते हैं, and
Yeah,
you go like really, मतलब कुछ लोग
yeah,
they ask your phone number, कुछ लोग अपने
yeah.
credit card के details भेज देते हैं. They say,
This was the most funny. This was the
yes,
most funny.
they send like some of, I remember like this guy, he sent me his
Yeah,
credit card details and he said just put whatever amount and just
yeah.
like meet me once. And he said try
क्या
it,
बात. Yeah,
try it.
yeah,
And that's like hilarious. Then some of them would say कि oh Sonali, you're so pretty, हम
yeah,
आप इतनी pretty हो कि हम लड़के लोग खुद ही अपने आप को रिजेक्ट कर
yeah.
देते. So
Basically, औकात के बाहर. That is what probably they feel, है ना?
yeah, like I can't say that, so I
Yes,
can't
yes. Fair enough.
I
Fair
can't
enough.
say
Fair
that.
enough.
So
Fair
yeah,
enough. Fair
so
enough.
yeah, but interesting DM. Like social
Yeah,
media is so much fun, no? Like a lot
yeah,
of entertainment,
yeah,
and actually
yeah,
people have time.
yeah. Exactly. बहुत ज़्यादा time है. All sorts of love-filled messages, maybe on comments, maybe on DMs as well. But एक चीज मुझे बताओ. I'll start with this. When you post something and when you know that this is something that you like, you don't really need the approval of others. So,
Yeah.
but उसको जाके जाके when people don't take it in the right spirit,
Hmm.
अंदर ही अंदर हाउ डू यू फील लाइक एक जिद पैदा होता है कि नहीं अभी ये लोग को अगर पसंद नहीं आ रहा, हु केयर्स, आई विल डू व्हाट आई हैव टू, या फिर यू काइंड ऑफ फील टॉर्न बिटवीन मल्टीपल इमोशंस, लाइक थोड़ा बहुत दुख होता है बिकॉज ऑफ व्हाटएवर दे से, एंड ऑफ कोर्स यू वांट टू फॉलो योर ओन हार्ट. इज इट लाइक अ मिक्सचर ऑफ बोथ और यू हैव दैट जिद इन योर माइंड एंड हार्ट?
So मेरा social media is it's been taken care of, with the
या,
social media people. So
या,
they say that don't go very bold. फिर
या,
image आपकी वैसी बन जाएगी. Producer
या,
director आपको वैसे ही देखेंगे, आपको
यस,
वैसे ही roles आएंगे.
या,
So
या,
like just get, थोड़ा मतलब balance करके रखना. But
या,
I think if you have it, flaunt it. And
यस,
I'm
ऑफ
sure,
कोर्स.
I think maybe in the beginning people will not like it, but they'll get used to it.
And सबसे ज्यादा, when people who are not commenting, or people who are probably saying a lot of ridiculous stuff, they are the ones who are actually watching the most. I don't know how much you agree with me with this or not, but people who actually don't acknowledge in front of everyone in public, they are the ones who are actually watching silently and admiring. So that's
Yeah.
the hakikat, है ना?
But
But
I get a lot of DMs from verified accounts also.
I'm pretty sure you might not be telling us the names, but अगर नाम तो आप बता दोगी तो फिर that will be like कहाँ आ जाएगा तो let's just leave it on that. But
Yes.
एक चीज you mentioned a very interesting point. That based on आजकल के दिन में social media and the kind of work that you're getting in say TV, movies, OTT, it's kind of synonymous. It goes hand in hand. What you post on your social media does tend to play a part in terms of forming a perception in the mind of the director or the producer.
Yes.
पहले कभी ऐसा हुआ है where probably you have gone to audition for a role thinking that the role is meaty, you have a potential, of course, to flaunt your hotness, but at the same time to flaunt your acting skills as well. But the director or the producer was just hell-bent on probably using your hotness or sensuality on screen. Asa, did you experience ever in the past?
I don't think so. मेरा कभी ऐसा experience हुआ है
because a lot of women do go through this.
I think but you tend to get typecasted. वो तो है because because the directors, producers, they see your picture, they see your Instagram, so they tend to typecast you. But it's just part of it. You can or if you want to change your image, then start making some funny reels, or tone down your glamour, or tone down your glamour, or just go less on everything. But I think it matters because what I like, and it's my Instagram account.
Absolutely.
And it's none of anyone's business.
Absolutely.
So when I have meetings with producers, directors, I'm very clear in my mind, and I'm sure अगर कुछ होगा तो वो मुझे जरूर बताएं. But I think with typecast होना it's very common. They see
you as you said,
like, अच्छा ये यही कर सकती है, अच्छा ये यही कर सकती है. And I think last मेरी film में हुआ था Dangerous with Vikram Bhatt, where the producer wanted some scenes and I was like, but I was not told. And when you reach on the set and वो कुछ और ही बन गया था, so I was like, हे भगवान, I think looks like producer के दिमाग में क्या आ रहा है, कुछ समझ में नहीं.
How did you handle the situation at that point of time?
I just went, means I didn't speak much. I just went with the flow because I was not told, and I was not in the country. I was shooting abroad, so you can't even you can't even do much. But I think, but you have to be smart enough to handle it. आप पे pressure डाला जाएगा from director, producer, from the choreographer, pressure आएगा, but you have to be smart enough how to do it. And you can always tell I'm not comfortable, but लोग बोलते हैं, but I think, and just keep a smile. अब क्या बोले? Now अगर sign किया project तो handle it.
But I think grace is very important. I think you must have handled it with grace. Thank you so much, Sonali, for giving us your valuable time. It's been a pleasure talking to you. Hopefully, the next one we do something in person, in reality, in a studio, and looking forward to meeting you in person as well. Thank you so much for this lovely chat.
Have fun. Take care.
Thank you so much. Let's give each other a virtual hug.
Virtual
While we do this.
I think we can give a kiss. I think this is
Thank you.
Hug is not happening.
नहीं हो रहा वो जब मिल लेंगे तब हो जाएगा.
Yes, definitely. I'll see you in Bombay.
Definitely. Thank you so much. God bless you. Bye. Love you. Bye.